Precision engineered and manufactured under strict quality control from top quality materials, our Jointer Pal knife setting jigs let you work confidently knowing that the risk of injury is minimized while setting your joiner blades with perfect accuracy. Powerful neodymium magnets hold newly sharpened blades in precise position, leaving your hands free to tighten the gib nuts. A standard jig works for joiners with 4 to 6 inch cutter heads, with accuracy of plus or minus 1/1000th of an inch, and after the initial setup steps are complete, these jigs offer perfect repeatability to safely change blades every time. It also allows for easy shifting of nicked blades to prolong usability between sharpenings. Our Jointer Pal knife setting jigs are available in either steel or polycarbonate bodies with the same accuracy. For more information or to see our full-length how-to video, go to grizzly.com.